Survival tips you must know for the wilderness. 1. If there's no place to stay in the wild, you can find 3 sticks and fix them into a triangle. Wrap transparent tape from top to bottom, then use scissors to cut out an entrance. This way, you can sit inside, which is not only warm but also shields you from wind and rain. 2. When encountering danger in the wild, how can you call for help? Smash your phone against something and direct the reflected sunlight towards the distance to send out a distress signal. 3. If you're feeling cold in the wild, you can stuff some leaves into your clothing to keep warm. 4. If there's no water to drink in the wild, find a plastic bottle and poke a few holes in the cap. Cut the body of the bottle in half and invert it. Insert a piece of cloth and then grass and rocks. Pour the dirty water in for filtration, and you'll have clean water to drink. 5. Matches can easily be blown out by the wind. Insert the matchstick into soap liquid and then let it dry. This way, the lit match won't be blown out by the wind. Don't throw away used masks just yet. They can be repurposed in clever ways. 1. Cut one end of the mask with scissors, put a bar of soap in, and tie a knot. Secure the cut part and hang it over the faucet for easy hand washing. Throw it in the flush tank and your toilet won't have any odd smell. 2. Cut the mask in the middle and put in garlic, ginger, and a little peppercorn. Add a few drops of medicated oil, tie it up and take it away. Place one in the kitchen and one in the bathroom. Mosquitoes will no longer dare to approach. 3. Prepare a used mask and put it on the tail of a hairdryer. Cut off the mouth of a plastic bottle and put it on the outside of the mask. Turn on the hairdryer, and all the garbage at the window can be vacuumed clean, not even sparing fine dust. 4. Take a mask and cut off the top, put in some rice and peppercorns, pull out a thread of tobacco and tie it up. Place one in the wardrobe for dryness and insect repellent, one in the fridge for deodorization and sterilization, and one in your shoes for odor removal. Follow me for more practical tips.